Hello children, welcome back to our channel. Today we will write a paragraph on topic a visit to our dentist. So let's start with it. Like most children, I am very scared of going to a dentist. Last week, when my mother asked me to get ready for our dental checkup, I was almost in tears. I tried to convince her that my teeth were healthy and I was brushing them well twice a day. She just smiled and took me along to the clinic. As I sat in the high chair and was asked to open my mouth wide, I felt sure the dentist was going to pull out a tooth. I held my breath and opened my mouth wide. The dentist tapped my teeth, sprayed some water, and cleaned them. He then smiled at me and said that my teeth were perfectly healthy. What a relief I felt when I got off the chair and came out of his clinic. I then realized that dentists are no monsters who pull out teeth for fun. Hope this paragraph will helpful for you. Keep on learning. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.